Good morning.
We've been doing some pretty cool stuff now that we're in the new cabin. We're actually preparing for winter and been canning. We did chicken yesterday. We've done tons of pinto beans, and today we're doing beef. And Stuart's behind me cutting up the beef.
You gotta throw me under the bus like that?
Oh,
Why would you do that?
because it's fun.
I love my wife. I would never throw her under the bus like that.
Yes, you would.
Not on camera. No way, no sir, no how.
Okay.
Just wait. I'll beat you, my pretty.
We've been buying meat that we see marked down and throwing it in the freezer.
Because I refuse to pay full price for meat nowadays. I just refuse.
Until we're more self-sustainable and actually hunting. That will be exciting. So we got about 27 pounds of beef.
Minus goose treats.
Minus goose treats. There's goose down there. He just loves it when we're in the kitchen preparing something because he usually gets a little treat. Goose.
No, I'm not going to look
I'm
away.
busy. I'm watching Daddy. He gives me treats. Nope. Goose, look at me. That's a good boy. You're a good boy. I see your tail wagging. There you have it, 14 quarts beef. Hope you all have a wonderful day. Hope you enjoy our progress so far, what we're doing, living off grid.